Additional using it over at Disney's Palace.
What happened here?
Nothing, man. Nothing happened here, homie. Ow! Freaking get off the damn sidewalk. Stop trying to hit me, idiot. Freaking.
Additional using Disney's Palace. The little guy inside.
I think there's one more person in there.
Shut up. Crazy.
I was guessing, and there's probably not just one. There's probably like 5 in there.
There's one more in there.
There's 2 people. Oh, what happened to
How did you know that
he's in the back.
Oh!
Let's go, let's get out of here, guys.
Dark Shadow, keep him locked in there. I need to go get armor and health, okay? Keep him... Aim your gun at the door and keep it aimed. I'm gonna go get armor and health.
So Nick Parker and... Oh. Dirty move. Dirty.
Yeah, it's been about 3 minutes somewhere.
My bad, it isn't over, I guess.
No, unlock it now.
User
we
left your channel.
There's only one cop out here. We got a car, we can come get him out. Unlock him. We gotta get my boys out of here. Come on, boys, we got a car out here. Let's go. There's only one person. Let's go. Shoot that cop. Let's go. Boys, let's go.
Let's watch Ricky. Ricky is definitely gonna be fail RPing.
Yes, get out of here. Let's go.
Are you at, Ricky?
You guys died. No. Stop for a second. Jinx. You died.
I didn't do anything, homeboy.
Hey, Jinx, nobody died. You didn't die. Jinx, hey, Nick, check all the dots. We never died. Hey, Jinx, Jinx, Nick, do your research, dude. Come on. They never died. No, Ricky. I know. I died. You were the first one I shot. I said I died. I just said I died. I just got in the car. So am I not being Nick, Jinx and me never died. We were the last 2, so I don't know why you're accusing him. It was Ricky. It was me.
You're just mad because you're waiting outside the Izzy Palace.
And got killed. Exactly. Alright.
I think he's AFK, so now we're gonna wait.
Parker was killed by Jinx.
I don't know if he's AFK.
I am
Jinx
sick
was
to
killed
death
by
of them.
Popcorn.
Of who?
He's got nothing to
Of popcorn of his fire fucking
stop. You can't
people
pull me over for no
sick of
damn
it.
reason, so.
Oh, don't worry. I have Ricky and Jinx. Or Ricky. Yeah, Ricky, Disney, and Popcorn are just basically breaking rules. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm gonna go and wait at the bank.
I'm
just gonna start sniping them.
I'm honestly, well, I'm spectating.
Get in.
Once they go in that bank, they're gonna get shot up by me.
Dude, oh, it looks like they're not. They were gonna go to the bank.
Yeah, they were. He said that in that group. He was going to.
Rip Chips Hill.
What? What happened?
The door got so shot up I couldn't fucking see.
Dude, Nick got all butthurt because we
Dude, I
were
had
there
ramen
waiting
noodles
in
for
the back.
dinner.
Like, you're breaking
The same, dude. I had shrimp.
The street from where they actually died.
Shrimp.
So, no.
Yep, shrimp in a
Vortex,
cup.
is the video uploaded? Did I see it?
Fucking Broccoli got killed
Your video
in front of our door.
Your video exceeded the maximum video length for
or verify accounts to fix
God.
it.
Are you seriously not have a?
You
you
didn't
seriously not have a
verify your-
verified account on YouTube?
Sound muted.
Who?
Broccoli. Yeah.
Shooting at us.
No, he was trying to get in there with us.
Broccoli?
Yeah, he kept coming up to the door like, let me in, and then the cop shot him down when he came back. He came back and fucking killed the whole police force.
I saw that, homeboy. He came back, he like got them all out.
Yeah, he had that big ass M60 and just mowed them all down. I was like, damn.
Ricky, go inside. Pull
Guys,
Ricky out of the
look at
way.
the taxi driver across the, let's go raid him. Let's go suit up and we're gonna raid him.
Where is he at?
Taxi driver, that house right there, I saw a taxi driver in there. Shit.
Let's go.
On the ground. Look behind you and look at the fence. Look at the fence. Look at the fence. You
Spread
guys
that asshole. Spread your cheeks.
Bye-bye.
Oh, well. Somebody would rather die than take a dick. That makes me pretty sad. He left too. He left.
What does IB mean? Oh, ban. Ban?
Come on, homeboy.
Yeah, just keep driving around. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
Boy, yeah, and stop wasting your time pick-locking that thing, Rick. Okay, home.
That's your music every time you start this car up.
Yeah, I
Hey, wake up.
Yeah, I'm lagging. I'm gonna go slow. That's how you go at like 57. I'm going like 39.
Damn, I got 102 kills.
How much money you got?
How much money?
Yeah, how much you got?
I got 3 mil.
I only got $323,000.
I don't spend money though. I only buy guns and ammo.
Oh. Oh, you are a sack of shit. Holy shit. And you purposely fucking CDM'd him. Oh. Oh my god. Popcorn. Sack of shit.
Is that undercover? Overcover? Oh, probably undercover.
Why the fuck? Okay. That's why.
Let's fucking do this. Let's kill them all.
Look at him.
Get him. That's the mayor. That's the mayor. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Oh yeah. Bitch boy.
Got him. Start shooting at him.
Metagaming now? That's cool.
Fuck.
Oh my god, dude. You're fucking awful. Oh my god, Rick.
Are you freaking kidding me?
That bear guy took out half the police.
So fucking Ricky Popcorn and
I hit somebody
Did you
on my
literally
birthday.
see?
Oh, everybody
Did you see
hit
that
everybody
crap?
in their car.
Yeah. What do you call that? The Mayor's Secret Service, the mayor, and himself. Get some Jurassic Park music up in here. What we got on the radio, homeboy? Man, why am I talking like this? I ain't black. My character's white.
Jurassic Park.
I smacked underscore woman. You're the best at that. You'll be our new music player.
Oh, Chip said he got demoted from trial staff.
He did. Not,
He's
what's it called? He said, Vortex and them paid to get him removed.
oh, that's you. I thought that was somebody else fucking with your car.
Hey, you should like help me repair it, my dudes. Oh, Popcorn,
Okay.
give me one of them things, dude. Aren't you an SA?
What?
I'm about to watch the
What,
video.
bro?
You're an SA, right?
No.
Aw. Damn it.
We'll come around and help you.
Alright.
What rank are you?
It's a
What
mugging.
rank are you at?
Drop 0, pay or die.
No.
Oh, I need to start repairing. On count three, ready? Ready?
Wait, what?
Start.
Someone took my hit. Dude, you took my revenge.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start repairing.
You took my wrench, Popcorn.
Good, it's my wrench now.
Yeah. Alright, well.
Okay, start.
Don't show the animation.
What rank are you at?
Get on the ground!
Wait, what's the wait.
Sorry. Oh my... Why?
Piggy, piggy, piggy.
I just saw the video.
Actually, I might as well just remove your car. I could just remove your car. My car has 5 seats in it.
I just
Let
saw
me
the
see you right
video.
back down.
Alright, fine, no man.
About what?
He got banned too.
He did?
24 hours, yeah.
And it's like it's a 5-seater.
What's happening? Oh yeah, and I'm back.
In.
What happened?
We should have the middle seat.
Can't get in, mate.
Somebody click 3. There's 5 seats in here.
Go on the other side, like this side.
Have you really posted it in the forums of him being banned? I swear to God. No. No. Not yet.
Your fifth seat does not work there, pal.
Yeah,
No,
that's
then
what
just
it
get in the
was
back
gonna
and crouch.
That's a bad idea, but okay.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
Stop moving. I'm gonna look. Now crouch. Make sure you're crouching so you don't fight. Oh my.
Oh shit!
Then make sure you're crouching.
Sometimes I was crouching.
Do I cops are your door like dry?
I'm gonna find a bear.
Wow.
Are you joking, dude? You want a you have a problem? Do we have a problem? We have a problem?
Let's see how you do.
Fail driving, don't do it. Alright guys,
Fuck
you got
you.
my cop?
Oh, you're shooting at the cop too.
Fuck out of here.
It's bounced.
Fuck out of here.
You have to walk forward, crouch and walk forward so you don't slip out.
They suck. They suck so bad.
Rich, going to bed.
Start. Ricky. Okay, now you know. Now crouch and walk forward. Shoot out behind us. Shoot behind us, Ricky.
I think he's out of the.
Oh shit.
You intentionally CDM'd him.
Oh, like you haven't CDM anyone else.
The Seagenberry body.
You can't keep trying to run in people to kill them.
You were in an admin sit. I didn't
I
shoot
like-
you because you were in
I
an admin
finished that.
sit. Why
I
would you
finished
kill
that,
me?
homie. I finished that.
You
I
can't
killed
do
my home.
that.
Wow, popcorn. That's cool.
Yeah. Well, in that case, I'm gonna mug you. Drop 5K. Die.
I don't have any
Drop
money.
it. Why do so many white people like to say Black Lives Matter? When we all know, we damn well know that they don't.
Should we pull over?
Are we getting pulled over?
Yeah, they're pulling us over.
Yeah. Damn. Are they trying to catch us or something? What the fuck's going on here? I just got in the goddamn car.
Wow. Where'd he am again? Or CDM? Fuck.
Look for that guy. That guy must be really dangerous. Let's go help him out.
Oh, they're killing each other now, the cops. Wow.
What kind of cops are these guys?
They're called Keystone Cops.
Keystone Cop. Oh my god.
I don't even know what's going on. The city's like in an apocalypse state. Wow, so how you been? The comedy police are on and we whipped most of them.
Yeah.
What's up, humble?
The guy?
Homie, homie.
Hey, the pretty mama, I'ma give you sunshine.
He trying to talk us, then he hit the wall of the tunnel.
The cartel's somewhere. There's a lot of them. Oh.
It's okay. This car's off. I don't know why I heard him turn try to get cops to shoot. Start shooting at his car outside the window. Can you drive by? Is he supposed to do a drive by?
There you go. Oh, lag. Shit lagged hard.
If I'm correct, we're allowed to do drive-bys, right?
As far as I know. I mean, it's not like we're really hurting anybody. I mean, if you want to do a drive-by through the Nexus, I'll take the jail time.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh shit.
Why is that shit in my car? I'm trying to drive here, home.
Get out of the way, invisible man! Alrighty. Let's go.
They went right past us.
God, they suck.
Past us, they're such idiots.
They suck. You know what kind of music they need when we're driving?
Other cops not Alright, yeah. Officer. Hello there. Get out of the vehicle right now. Out of the vehicle. PRP if you don't.
Okay.
It was,
No, you can't do that.
no, it's CRP.
Actually,
Yeah, I
no,
can't,
it's
can't.
not.
It's called CRP.
Oh my god.
Cop cars are not bulletproof. Cop car is not bulletproof. Look at the New York incident. They got their windshield broke through by
They
pistol
have
on
armor
dog.
piercing rifles.
Alright, I'm back in character. Get on.
Hey Dab, I lost my SA rank. I still have commands, I just don't have the prefix.